How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Local Channel. Time is 9:49. We just finished up our trading. We had two winners, one super solid move on a low cap. I've been trading those more recently nowadays that we're going to take a look at. MYOS, beautiful move, nice profit on there. And then we had another just small profit on PFE. It's like a mid cap stock. So yeah, we love that momentum that we just got in MYOS. I took the trade, I got out of it, and then I left it. I don't even know where it's at now. It could have flew. But yeah, let's take a look at that. Alrighty, so yeah, today we traded this MYOS. Oh man, it's moving alright. We didn't even get all this move. Like if we got all this move, that would have been a nice, 1200, maybe even 1500 move. We got an entry right here at as it breaks over the VWAB 9 and 20 at 227. We got to move to 250, 252. Where's my fill? Down here, that higher day. Damn, if we had sold half position or continue to hold, we would have got a way bigger move. Like that's shooting up like a rocket right now, but that's fine. We seen the profit we want to get in there. That's insane. So we took out there. So very good. We held that discipline. We got in a nice setup and we capitalized, right? There's always going to be more opportunities like this where I will be able to capture the entire move. So there's no worries there. After that trade, we took this trade on PFE. Now we got an entry right here. We're anticipating it to break over the VWAB and go test this resistance level. But we came out as what we're looking for here was the volume. We want to see a lot of buying volume that would be able to make that move over the VWAB and continue on. But we didn't see that volume there, and it immediately told us let's come out of this trade, which we did, and it's going down there. Usually you like it a little bit more closer, but if this had volume though, like we would have had no problem getting over there. Look at the pre-market, we're gapping up, so it was a nice setup. That's a nice bull flag there. Initially I was looking at it earlier at market open where it came down here, and on this first candle, if this second candle made a new high, I would have entered right there as it came up here, but it didn't. So we continue to wait, maintain our discipline, and perfect trading. We're just waiting for these setups to happen. Potential, we could get a potential bull flag on this, but maybe. But yeah, I'm done trading. We got in, we capitalized on what was available for us, and we'll be back for opportunities another day. So that's all for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys again. Have a good one.